If you're experiencing choppy performance or sudden frame drops in games, or if your Xbox console has become slow gradually, then there may be some software complications that's causing this. And in this video I'll show you how to fix these issues by performing some simple troubleshoots. We are going to start by checking if any demanding games or apps are running in the background. To check if they're running, just highlight the app and tap the menu button. And if you see there's a quit option, then it means it's running in the background. So we have to quit all of these. Doing that will take off computing load from your console and make your games run smoother. Then we'll check if automatic game capture and upload is turned on. To check that, open the guide again and navigate to capture and share and go to capture settings. From here, if you see the allow game capture is set captures by me or games, then change it to either captures by me or don't capture. Also, if you set it to captures by me, then you have to turn off automatic uploads too. After that, you won't face any sudden lag or frame drops while you're playing games. And then we'll clear the persistent storage. To do that, open the settings and go to devices and connections. Open Blu-ray, and from here select persistent storage and hit clear persistent storage. Then we'll also check if your storage is full. If you're running low on storage, then this may put negative effect on your controller's performance. To check your storage, go to System and then Storage Devices. And if you see you're running low on storage, then you need to consider deleting some apps or games that you rarely use, or you can also connect an external storage and then transfer some apps to that storage to make the internal storage less clogged up. You also need to make sure that you're connected to a stable internet, or else it can cause lag and stutters while you're playing games. If you're using Wi-Fi, then you can just switch to an Ethernet connection for a better stability. If you're still having issues running games smoothly, then also make sure that your console is running on the latest update. After that, we'll clear our console's cache by doing a forced restart. To do that, hold down the power button of your console until your console shuts down completely. And then we'll unplug all the cables and wait for a few minutes. After that, we'll plug the cables back in and turn on our console. And hopefully your problem will be fixed. Unfortunately, if you're facing the same problem after going through all these steps, then the last thing that we can do is resetting your console settings to factory default. Though keep in mind that you need to set up your console again after the reset. To perform the reset, open Settings, then go to System and Console Info, select Reset Console, and choose Reset and Keep My Games and Apps. After that, set up your console as usual and your problem will be fixed. If you're facing the same problem running a game even after the reset, then it's time to check if it's the game that isn't compatible. In our case, we can run Forza Horizon 5 just fine, but when we are trying to run Asphalt 9, the game lags and stutters a lot, even though it's a very light game compared to Forza. In that case, you can try uninstalling the app and reinstalling it. If that didn't fix it, it means that the game is not fully compatible with your console. After you have followed all these steps, the problem should be fixed for most of you. Thank you for staying with us the entire time. Please leave a like and sub to our channel, and we'll see you very soon.